I hope you like that. People, listen. A foreign me live, and a winter now, and we don't have any callaloo out the door growing. So listen, Grace, may I use you again today, The big pan Grace product. So we'll match up some callaloo with the leftover outer door saltfish what we do. All right? So we'll do a thing this morning real quick and fast. Watch it now. Guys, thank you for liking up all the videos. I so appreciate everybody. I dump all of that tonight this morning. Like so. Throw off the water. And then callaloo. I don't have no tomatoes. So be back in a minute. It's a bubble, it's a bubble. Yes, I. And just like your grandma used to do in Jamaica when she don't have no tomato, the next best thing. Look like my elbows now, not ketchup either. But not need too much, just need a little color. And give that a swirl. Listen, people, I am a big advocate for coconut milk or coconut oil in whatever you're cooking. It makes it so much better. Try it here. Going in with some coffee. Mountain Peak. And you cannot forget the condensed milk, right? Not supposed to be doing a lot of this, so one spoon. Boom. And you know, say Lebanese bread. Boom. That's ready. And Grace, sit there again. Grace, you're living in my house, That means you're living in my pocket. Boom. All right. Almost ready now. Who coming? And for those that love real good coffee, this is super good. That's the best I could get to Blue Mountain. Oh Lord, look people. Oh my gosh. Can callaloo people up. Breakfast ready just like that. Just like that, guys. Just like that. I think I want some more. Because I got a long day of work today. I have to eat real fast. And go do what I do. Go pick up some people and take them home. And take them to work and take them to airport. But I have to have a full belly. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, guys. We're at $4.99, hoping to cross 500 today. All right. February 28th. Morning breakfast. Some Mountain Peak coffee. Yeah. Some callaloo with saltfish we cook out a door. Some Lebanese bread. The thing's set. You guys have a wonderful day. Guess what? We out.